Yeah. I'm gonna need the whole 9 and a little bit more. Hopefully it's not too loud. My husband taking a shower. But today I'm gonna show you all how I revive my twist for this twist out. What the heck? So I've been wearing my hair in a bun for a week now, almost a week. And today it is Valentine's Day and I would like to wear my hair out in a big old twist out. And you know I don't want those like crinkles and wrinkles in my twist. So I'm gonna show you all how I revive my twist so that it could be beautiful and, you know, fluffy. So for the first method, I'm going to go ahead and spritz all of my hair. And I didn't drench my hair, I just moistened it some so that it will start to take original shape again. And then I'm going to use my towel to put some hot water in it, lay it on the center of my hair so that it'll lay flat. And then after that method, I will go ahead and take a nice hot shower to let the steam get all into my hair and it'll just melt the crinkles away. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready because my husband and I are going out on a date tonight to celebrate Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna show you all the 3 methods that I use and you guys could choose which method works for you guys. I usually use all 3 because that's where I get the best results, and then I'll come back with my results. So stay tuned. So I got my towel. I'm gonna just put it in the center of my hair and just pat it down. You don't want to rub it like this because that will create friction and also it'll create a frizzy twist out, and we don't want that. We want to keep our hair intact, so I'm just patting it down, and this may take a few tries.
What song used to be the song?
Braid My Hair
By who? R. Kelly?
by Mario.
Girl, what the hell?
I don't know what song you talking about.
R. Kelly started that.
Well, I'm talking about,
started that.
I'm talking about Mario.
And in Wish.
Wish they started nothing.
When he was getting, oh my God, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
The song Wish by R. Kelly.
she's
I
talking about
wish,
Wish.
I wish, I
I
wish.
thought you was talking about the artist. Wish.
What the hell was that?
What the his name?
What did he look like?
Light skin. It's like a baby. Think about Dream. Dream, Wish. It's the same thing. Happy Valentine's Day.
We about to turn up. We about to turn up.
Little nasty.
You're nasty.
Hey,
I hope you guys are having a blessed and beautiful night and had a blessed and beautiful day. I'm going to end it off with this face right here.